Now we're going to solve a two-step example using fractions. We'll use two different methods, the inverse operations method and the common denominator method. So the operations that are being performed on the variable for this example is x is being divided by 4, and then we're adding 3. So if we're going to do those operations in the inverse order, we're going to subtract 3, and then we're going to multiply by 4. So x over 4 plus 3 equals 7.2. We're going to subtract 3 from each side. That makes a zero pair. X over 4 equals 4.2. Now we're going to multiply both sides by 4. That's going to cancel, and x is going to be equal to 16.8. Another way to do this question is by finding common denominators. So we can see that our common denominator is going to have to be 4, since both these numbers have a denominator of 1. One goes into 4 4 times, so if we multiply the denominator by 4, we have to multiply the numerator by 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 goes into 4 4 times, so if we multiply the bottom by 4, we've got to multiply the top by 4, and 7.2 times 4 is 28.8. Now, since all our denominators are the same, we can cancel them out, and we're left with x plus 12 equals 28.8. Now this is a simple one-step equation like we did at the beginning of the unit. X plus 12, the opposite of adding, is subtracting, and whatever you do to one side, you've got to do to the other. That makes a zero pair, and x is going to be equal to 16.8. So you get the same answer as in the other method.